The toilet paper plant is considered native to a huge range from Pakistan, India, Nepal, and south through Arabia, Sudan, Ethiopia, Somalia, East Africa, South Tropical Africa, and naturalized itself in southern Africa. This plant is grown throughout the world, likely because of its herbal uses, pharmaceutical qualities, and in India it is grown for its edible roots, and in parts of Africa as a substitute for toilet paper. A fast-growing erect large shrub, 6 to 8 feet tall, lies wide with thick stems, holding large 4 to 6 inch long ovate light green leaves that are lightly fuzzy and have small dentations along the margins. This plant sends up plump buds which open to beautiful long bright blue flowers appearing in autumn. The toilet paper plant has a sweet smell and broad leaves that are incredibly soft to touch. The leaves, which may hold medicinal properties for humans, are thick and fleshy, so you do not need to snag too many of them at once to clean yourself up after a trip to the outhouse or squat behind a bush. The toilet paper plant grows huge and can make an effective informal hedge or screen.